Welcome to Screencasts Online. I'm Darcy, and today we're doing a primer on two-factor authentication using Apple's iCloud keychain and an external app called OTP Auth. For decades, internet security looked like this. If you wanted to log in to an account online, whether it's for online banking, shopping, or social media, you would need a username and password to enter. For the most part, it wouldn't be possible for somebody to gain access to your account without this information. But problems started occurring. To remember them, people would use simple passwords like 123456, QWERTY, and the word password, which are still the most used passwords today. These passwords are easy to guess, so as soon as your email was obtained, bad characters could enter your account and compromise your personal information. Then, as people became more aware, they started using secure passwords with random letters and characters like 3H, BW, SB, VU, exclamation mark. These were harder to remember, so people would still reuse them or forget them. And bad characters started doing more to find out your password with tactics like phishing. This is where you would receive an email from somebody pretending to be from your bank or from a company, asking you to log in and address some made-up issue. The link in the email would take you to a site that looks similar, but would actually be a fake copy of the site you're familiar with. Using this malicious site, bad characters would be able to capture your password as soon as you enter it. Then, of course, there have been many times over the decades where companies have been hacked and their record of your email and password have been exposed, allowing bad characters to just sign in with your details. So the problem is well documented and established, and a solution was put forward in what is now known as two-factor authentication. So first, we'll break down what it is, how it works with Apple's inbuilt features, and a look at when you would need to use another app over Apple's keychain. Two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA, effectively adds another layer of identification when logging into your account. So while you still have your username and password, you also have to enter a randomized code that you receive via SMS or through an authenticator, such as a physical device that you carry which generates the code, or an app on your phone. When using a device, the code often regenerates every 30 seconds, so that even if someone were to get the code, it would become invalid so quickly they likely wouldn't be able to do anything with it. Theoretically, someone could have my email and password and still wouldn't be able to log into my account without this extra code.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.